Hello, my name is Fabian Pantoja. I am an industrial engineer student. Now I am going to answer the following questions. When are you going to travel? I am going to travel in January. What city or place are you going to visit? I will visit Machu Picchu, Peru. Where are you going to stay? I will stay in a hotel near Machu Picchu. What are you going to wear? I am going to bring some clothes and a good camera. Who are you going to invite to that travel? I'm going to invite to my wife Claudia and my two children Sofia and Fernando. What activities will you do in that place? I will take a walk around the place and take many photos. How much money will you spend there? I will spend 5 million pesos. Will you bring any souvenirs from your vacation? Oh yes, I am going to bring many photos with my family in Machu Picchu. Thank you very much.